Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can use Riffusion AI. So guys, this is the beta version as you can see on the screen. You will log in your account. You can log in with Google or Discord as you can see here. This is the first option, or you can enter your phone number and you can use the Riffusion AI. So guys, on the dashboard you have features, the playlist created by persons, and you have stuff picks created this also by person. And from here guys, you can create your own music and your imaging. What you have to do guys, just click option, and I will continue with my Google account. For example, this is my Google account, and after that guys, wait, and from here guys, click agree to use and write your username. For example guys, this is my name, and click done. After that guys, click let's go, and from here guys you can create your own music, for example, and click random, for example smooth post. This is the random music, and just click generate guys. And after that guys, you have personalized option here. You can share you have, this is your music, and you can increase your level here, and you can generate and listen and to earn points from here. And you can create your first song, you can listen, and you can create a playlist here, you can publish, and you can create cover. So guys, this is how you can do, and you can use Riffusion AI. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon guys.